This is Sunday with RealWired. I'm going to walk you through how to create a new request. Simply log into the system. On the request screen, there's a button called Create Requests. Simply click on Create Requests, which will open up the web form that you need to fill out. The first thing you want to do is select your property. You click the select arrow next to the property field. This is where you're able to search for existing properties. I always recommend you enter the first few digits of a property's address to search for the property, and it'll bring up any properties that have that address. Or you may search, if you only know the street name, you may use a percent sign, which will search anything in the address and bring back anything that has gravel in it. As you notice, if you find your property, you simply click on the property to select the property. If your property is not in the system, you select the Create Property button. This will open up another form where you will simply select the market area. You will select the property category. You will select the property type. Your bank will already default the bank name. Select your lot, subdivision, section, township range, your block, parcel number, year built. Anything with a red asterisk next to it is a required field. When you've completed filling out the information, you simply click Save and then select the property. At this point, that is the property you're going to make this request for. I would like to get an appraisal done on 1719 Gravel Hill Road. You enter your customer name. The data request will automatically be filled in, and also the person who is logged in actually placing the order. If you're placing the order for another individual, all you have to do is select the individual here for who you're placing the order for. Enter the date you need the report. You may enter your projected close date. Again, anything with an asterisk is required. Your risk rating, the loan amount, the loan number, the loan type, the billing branch code. If you want any hard copies delivered to you, just select how many hard copies you would like. If you do not want any hard copies, simply select 0. The region, any comments you may have, you also want to enter your marketing status and who the appraiser will need to contact in order to gain access to the property. Simply click Save. At this point, you're going to see the information about the property to make sure that did not need to be updated, as well as the information you just entered about the request. And then if there are any supporting documents that the appraiser may need in order to complete their job, you simply click the Create button, browse out, find the location, select Save, and that document will now be available for the appraiser. Once you have completed this, you simply click Initiate Request, and this will now be sent to your appraisal department. As you notice, your request status went from new to submitted, and that is all you need to do. If you look on your main request screen by clicking on Request, you'll see that that job is now in there and submitted. You'll be able to tell the workflow changes as the request goes through its process. If you have any questions about creating a request, please contact RealWired at 813-349-20 $2,700. Thank you.